Hello and welcome to our video on the JVC CS-J620 300W 6.5-inch CS-Series two-way coaxial car speakers. In this episode, we'll be taking a closer look at this car speaker's features, benefits, and overall performance. If you are in the market for new car speakers, stick around and learn more about the JVC CS-J620. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. First, let's dive into the features of the JVC CS-J620 300W 6.5-inch CS-Series two-way coaxial car speakers. These speakers are designed to fit most cars and are easy to install. They have a peak power handling of 300 watts and a continuous power handling of 30 watts. The speakers feature a woofer cone made of mica composite and a polyether imide balanced dome tweeter for clear and accurate sound. Now, let's talk about the benefits of the JVC CS-J620 300W 6.5-inch CS-Series two-way coaxial car speakers. One of the biggest benefits of the speakers is their affordability. They are a cost-effective option for those looking to upgrade their car's sound system without breaking the bank. Another benefit of the JVC CS-J620 is their sound quality. The mica composite woofer cone and polyether imide balanced dome tweeter provide clear and accurate sound, making your music sound better than ever before. The speakers also have a wide frequency response ranging from 35 Hz to 22 kHz, allowing you to hear a wide range of frequencies. Finally, let's take a closer look at the performance of the JVC CS-J620 300W 6.5-inch CS-Series two-way coaxial car speakers. These speakers have received high marks for their sound quality and affordability. They are easy to install and fit most cars, making them a convenient option for those looking to upgrade their car sound system. One potential drawback of the JVC CS-J620 is their durability. Some users have reported that the speakers may not last as long as others more expensive options on the market. Additionally, the speakers may not be as powerful as some users would like, especially if you are looking for deep bass. Overall, the JVC CS-J620 300W 6.5-inch CS-Series two-way coaxial car speakers are a cost-effective and quality option for those looking to upgrade their car sound system. With their mica composite woofer cone, polyether imide balanced dome tweeter, and wide frequency response, those speakers provide clear and accurate sound. While they may not be as durable as other options on the market and may not be as powerful as some users would like, the JVC CS-J620 remains a popular choice among car owners. Thanks for watching.